What's up guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to connect your chatbot to your Facebook page. And for the people who are more experienced with chatbots, they have experience, they already know how to do this stuff. I'm just putting together a short core training for people who are just now getting into chatbots, who are in different niches, or they already have businesses but they don't know what a chatbot is. So I'm just putting that together. Don't worry, I will get into the detailed things as soon as possible. I'm trying to get these videos out. I'm probably going to do like 10 videos in one day just to push them out there. But this is basically how you connect your chatbot to your page. So I use Chatmatic. So if you use ManyChat, it's most likely a different way. But with Chatmatic, it's pretty simple. When you first sign up for an account with Chatmatic, it's basically free. Your page is basically free up to 250 subscribers. I believe I thought it was 150 at first, but it's actually 250. And everything's unlimited until you get to 250 subscribers. So as you can see, this is some pages I've created in the past, like 8 years ago or whatever. Gaming channels, demo chatbots. It's pretty much straight to the point. But once you create an account, you're gonna have the ability to connect all your Facebook pages. I need to actually delete some of these pages, but you're going to have the ability to connect all of them at once, or you could just select a page. I'm not going to select anyone right now because, there's no need for me to. And it's pretty simple. I don't know why that's popping up, but it's pretty simple. Once you connect the page, you're going to come to a dashboard just like this. And then that's basically it. In the next video, I'm going to go over how to set up your welcome messages. Also, if you need to add admins to your page. So for example, I think I went over this in the first video. If you need to add admins to your page or multiple people, you just invite them, just put in their email. That's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.